Select the edit mode. Keep the cursor on starting of the program to add raw material blank. Press right arrow up to drawing command option. Press drawing command soft key. Select the shape of material. Enter the raw material size and offset position. Press OK and one line G code will input in program. Press right arrow up to simulation option. Press simulation software key. Press change drawing soft key for 3D toolpath. Press next arrow soft key for next page for select multiple options like zoom in and out, rotation, simulation speed and adjust it. Press left arrow soft key for screen change. Press rewind soft key to go start of program and start soft key to start simulation. Press stop, rewind and start soft key to restart simulation. Press close simulation software key to close.